everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today from our friends at Hunkydory Crafts, I have the fabulous Folds Interlace Card Kit. This makes 24 cards, really easy to make, and they make cards just like this. Look at this beautiful folding right here, and if you stick around to the end of the video, you'll learn how one lucky viewer will be entered into a contest to win this one. All you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Stick around and learn more and come play with us. All right, let's take a look at what comes in this kit. So it makes at least 24 cards. You get 24 envelopes as well. And then you get all of these little punch outs, which these make the little center part right here, this little extra part of the greeting, and you open it up right here. And there's another one you can put here, or you could put it right here so that it doesn't show on the outside. So lots of little punch outs. You get 24 of these cards, and look at this rainbow of colors that you get. Get them all here. Oh. Just one for every color you could possibly like. You get multiple of each. And of course, you get the envelopes, and then you get these really easy to follow instructions, which it is so easy to do, you guys. I just don't even think you'll need them. All right, so let's make a card. Well, before we make a card, I should probably show you the other examples. So for this one, you guys, I used the contents of the kit, but I also used our new Dazzle stickers. These are gingham, you guys. These are so cute. They come in this pastel collection of the white, yellow, and the pink, and they just pull off like this. Oops. And when you put them down, they look like a little gingham border. They're so cute, and that's what I used along at the top and the bottom. A little pair of scissors is nice because I just laid them down and then trimmed them like this. Used a little foam tape here and here. And then you guys, you can take all of these little square shapes, and I put them on point to make little diamonds, and I just put them on every other one, so I didn't have to do on all of them. And then I just took a little bit of yellow gingham ribbon and added that on there, and then foam taped that here. Now I wanted to foam tape it here as opposed to here because it's just easier. There's a blank circle shape right here. If you put it here, you'd kind of have to align it a little bit. So I just thought that was easier. All right, let's take a look at this next one. This one also uses those adorable little gingham Border Dazzle stickers right here. One at the top, one at the bottom. You could put them on all four sides. This one just right here with the little rose here, and then Debbie just left this one blank because you could use the one that goes with this on something else. So you don't have to use all the pieces every time. Then we've got this one. Look at that. This one is so cool. Lots of metallic, gorgeous, beautiful. For this one, Debbie used a collection of Dazzle stickers. This comes in a whole pack of 12 jewel border Dazzle stickers. If you've ever wanted to just have all the colors right in here, and she used the pink right here, and then there is a, find it, a silver in here that she used as well. Looking. There you go, there's silver. And then she added these little round jewel Dazzle stickers right around the edge, and you can use just our little jewel picker to just pick these up and add them all the way around. She used the little scallop ones here around the edge. So she used the silver, and then she used the holographic pink, and then she used the silver again. Really beautiful. Okay, let's see what else I've got to show you. This last one, so beautiful. So for this one, Debbie used this collection of our little polka dot Dazzle sticker borders. And they come in, these are just perfect for fall. Debbie and I requested this color scheme. It's got this beautiful copper finish. It's really pretty green. And then this is a brown, okay? And Debbie used this copper right around the edges here, and then she took those little tiny pieces, those little circles from the inside, and she used those all around here. And then she backed this right here. She put this piece right here, and this is copper Miri cardstock. Beautiful. so that when you look in these fold away pieces, you get this gorgeous, look at that. Isn't that sparkly and beautiful? That is just really cool. All right, so let's show you how to do this. So I've got my card here. Now you can have it so this one's got light green on one side and dark green, or darker green on the other side. It's kind of a Kelly green. So let's just do this. Let's do the lighter green on the outside, just for fun. And then a bone folder is really nice. You just want to make sure that that fold is really good. And then you're just going to go around and you're going to start folding. You're going to take one of these, doesn't matter where you start, and then you're going to pull up the next one, and then you're going to tuck this one under that piece. All right? Then you're going to take this one, pull up this one, and tuck it under here. And you're just going to keep doing that all the way around. And it's fun. It's really easy to do. And I'm always a little folding challenged. I always like, Debbie is just naturally great at folding. And I always have to have her explain it to me. And I'm always like, what? I'm very visual. So if I read instructions, I'm reading it. And I'm like, wait, I'm not sure about that. And then I ask Debbie, and she's really great. This one, no problem with at all. Everybody has different ways of learning. And we all managed to get the job done in our own way. And I think this kit is just really great for all types of learners. And just think, when you give this to your friends, they're going to just think it was way more difficult than it was. And I love that in a project. I love that in any kind of a card making situation where people are like, well, how did you do that? And maybe you used a template or you used a cutting die, and it just made it look so much trickier. So for the last one, you're ending up with this last piece, and you're just tucking that right under. And look at that. And it's got dimension, and it's just really, really pretty. So, so great. So now what we're going to do is we're going to bring in our foam tape roll. And this one is a giant wheel of foam tape. This is actually a little smaller than it should be because we've been using stuff off of it. But you get 150 feet or 50 yards of foam tape for just under 20 bucks. It's a great deal. It'll last you a super long time. All right, so we have our little foam tape, and then we're going to take these, and I just find the coordinating ones that go with the green. And there should be at least 3 pieces, but it looks like on this one there's a thank you as well. So sending best wishes to you, and you could add a thank you there, but I'm just going to stick with it. Enjoy your day. And then they do have those little tabs that kind of make it look a little fuzzy. So I just like to take my little scissors, or you could just take like a sanding block, or you can even just take your fingernail and just go around the edge of those. But I like to take those little tabs off. Oh, here's the other one. And I think it just makes it cleaner looking and more finished. All right, we're just going to take, oops, a little bit of foam tape there, a little bit of foam tape here. There we go. Nothing like watching me remove foam tape. Okay, there we go. It's so exciting. All right, let's see, that's the one. So we're going to take this, and we're just going to place it right there. Make sure our watering can is straight up and down. And then this little piece, you could add this to the inside or the outside, whichever you'd like. We're going to take that one and put it right there. Open up the inside. As I said, you could put it right there and then kind of get it right behind, like that. All right. And then how pretty to just add a little green gingham bow there. It would just go together so nicely. And you guys, we have a fantastic money saver on this collection. I'm going to bring this all out. And don't forget, this card is our giveaway card. So if you watch to the very end of the video, you're going to learn all about how you can win this card for your very own. We're going to pick one lucky winner, but you do have to read the instructions on how to do that, and we won't send you an email necessarily that you won. We're just going to reply in the YouTube comments that you have won, and then you will need to follow the instructions and the email link that we send you to reply to Debbie at customer service and say, hey, I am the winner. It's also helpful if you use your username and we know it's you. Thanks so much for joining me today, you guys, and we'll see you in the next one.